How to fix Facebook dating not showing. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is just head over to our Facebook, and once you're in there you can see that there's a three lines right here. So just click on the three lines right here on your profile and it will direct you to a menu. So from in there, you can see all shortcuts right here. So what you need to do is just scroll down until you can find the dating right here, which is the icon of a heart, which it is color violet and also pink. But if you don't see that, then you can click on this see more right here. So just click on see more. And then from in there, you can see a lot more options. If you don't see dating right here, it may be on this see more right here. So if you click on dating right here, you can see that it will welcome you to Facebook dating and you can have new ways to date, which is free and also has your privacy. So if you don't have this shortcut on your account, then that just means that you don't have Facebook dating yet. So in here, we have an article from Facebook itself wherein you can access Facebook dating if you are at least 18 years old, if you have a Facebook account that is in good standing, meaning that it don't have any warning or any violations or anything, and at least 30 days old. So that just means you don't have and you can't have Facebook dating if your account is newly created. It needs to be at least 30 years old. So you also need to live in a country where dating is available. So if you delete your dating profile, you can make a new one for 7 days. So when you scroll down right here, you can see all the countries where Facebook dating is available. So you just need to locate your country if you have that in this list right here. So as you can see, mine is in this list, so I am able to access Facebook dating. So as you can see right here, they may restrict our account and we can no longer access Facebook dating if we are in this right here. So if you still want to have Facebook dating, what you can do is to just click on your Facebook right here, long press it, click on app info, and then from in there click on storage usage and then click on clear data right here and then proceed to clear data of your Facebook. If you're on iOS, you can upload the app on the general and iPhone storage. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Facebook dating not showing. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.